Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is the arithmetic progression. So first of all, in this chapter what will we study about the arithmetic progression. In the short form, arithmetic progression can be written in the form of AP. And what do you mean by AP? Some numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Dashes are means so on. Infinite numbers are there. And if the difference between the, first of all, here the four terms are there. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. और फोर्थ टर्म है, और जो फर्स्ट नंबर पे लिखी है दैट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर ए, एंड दिस इज सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म. If the difference between the succeeding term and preceding term is same in all the cases, then it forms an AP. For example, if 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, अगर ये जो डिफरेंस है सेम आता है तो इसे क्या बोलते हैं, तो AP फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है. और ये जो डिफरेंस अगर सेम होता है तो इसे बोलते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस, और कॉमन डिफरेंस को डिनोट करते हैं बाय द स्मॉल लेटर डी के साथ डिनोट करते हैं. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल है 100, 70, 40, 10 and so on. First term is 100, second term is 70, third term is 40, fourth term is 10. First term A is denoted as 100, and the common difference is, that is 70, A2 minus A1, that is 70 minus 100 is equal to minus 30. Third term A3 minus A2 is equal to 40 minus 70 minus 30. Next is 10 minus 40 is equal to minus 30. If the common difference between these terms are same, it means it forms an AP. Next example is 3, 3, 3 and so on. Here the first term, second term, third term all are same and is equal to 3. First term can be denoted as A is equal to 3, and the common difference is 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Common difference is same, so it forms an AP. Next is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. First term is minus 3, second term is minus 2, third term is minus 1 and fourth term is 0. So we have to subtract first term from the second term, that is minus 2 minus minus 3, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1, minus 1 minus minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Next is 0 minus 1, so 0 minus into minus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Here the common difference is same. Difference is same. If the difference is same, it becomes the common difference. Then the common difference is 1, it forms an AP. And generally an AP is written in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. The formula for writing this is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. If the value of n is equal to 1, it becomes A1 is equal to A plus 1 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 0D, which is equal to A. A10, if we want to write the 10th term, and it is written as A10, and A10 can be written in the form of A plus N minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into D, A plus 9D. Okay. So the second term is A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is A plus T, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, A plus 2D, A plus 4 minus 1, that is 3D. Okay. Now the first question of this worksheet 1. Before we start the first question of worksheet 1, first of all we will do the second sum. Second sum, first part is A is 10, D is 10. We have to write the first four terms of an AP. So first term given है, first term को denote करते हैं by the letter small letter A, and the common difference is D. First term is A, so first term is already given. Second term A2, that is A plus 2 minus 1 D, which becomes A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. We have to substitute the values. A 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, 10 plus 2 into 10 is equal to 30, 10 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 40. So the first four terms of an AP is 10, 20, 30 and 40. if you subtract the if you see the common difference, see here 20 minus 10 is equal to, this is a1, a2, a3, a4. When you subtract a1 from a2, you will get 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, a3 minus a2 is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10, and 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. Here the common difference is same, so it forms an AP, and the first four terms of an AP are given. Now the second part is a is equal to minus 2 and d is equal to 0. Common difference is 0. If the common difference is 0, it means all the terms are same. Okay, so first term is, if the first term is minus 2, the second term is also minus 2. A plus d, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. A to minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, and a4 is a plus 3d. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. So the first four terms of an AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and minus 2. Okay, now the fifth part of this, a is equal to minus 1.25, d is 0.25. First term is a1, a2, a3, a4, a. Second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d. It becomes minus 1.25 plus 0.25, it becomes minus 1.50. You have to simply substitute the values of a and d here. Minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, it becomes minus 1.75. Third term is minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, it becomes minus 2. So the first four terms are minus 1.25, which is already given. Second is minus 1.50. Third is minus 1.75, and fourth is minus 2 here. Okay. So complete this question number 2. Thank you.